Good morning, Payson! And welcome to the Pride!
Speed. I am speed. One winner, 42 losers. I eat losers for breakfast. Speed. I'm faster than fast, quicker than quick. I am lightning.
Hello, Payson High School.
And welcome to the Pride. Come join bands, bagpipes, and learn drums or the bagpipes in the band room from 2:45 to 3:45. It already started. Go join.
Payson High School. Do you guys want to learn a card game that's been around for decades as well as some social skills? Then meet after school on Thursdays in the ASL room to join the Magic Club. Seniors! Sterling Scholar 2025 and 2026 is now open until October 3rd at 4 p.m. If you need to talk to anybody about it, talk to Mrs. Daniels.
Also, parking permits. We gotta get them. They're $10 in the finance office. You can't get them during class unless you have a hall pass. And you can't get them at lunch or before or after school. So that's pretty much it. That's all what we have for our announcements. Roll the segments.
Hey Payson, on this Thursday the 18th, there's a senior fundraiser at Menchie's, so come to Menchie's, buy a cup of ice cream, and say you're from Payson to help pay for the senior gift this year.
I'm gonna go interview people. I love interviewing. Oh, dude. Ow. It clipped my finger.
How do I Payson High School?
Welcome to Chopped Interviews. I'm Andrew, and this is...
I'm chopped.
Payson High School, how's it going? My name is Luke, and I'm here with
Tim Platzik.
who is one of the new teachers that we're going to be interviewing today on Chopped Interviews. How do we say your last name?
Chop. Platzik.
Platzik?
Yes.
I like that.
I go by Mr. T.
Mr. T. All right. Mr. T, why did you become a teacher?
Actually, because when I used to work in the sheriff's office, my kids did not get much help from me, and they became special ed students to learn to read and write. And so I decided I wanted to be a teacher and help people's kids when I quit the sheriff's office.
That's powerful, man. What's your favorite breakfast food?
As you can tell, I don't turn away most food, so most anything.
All right.
Yeah.
If you had to make like a top 3 list, you
Top 3 list: breakfast burritos,
right there, bro.
steak and eggs.
Oh my gosh, he's 2 for 2.
Oh, maybe an omelet, something like
That's
that.
a solid list.
Yeah.
That is a solid list. Now, my final question for you today, Mr. T. Does fish belong on pizza?
Does fish belong on pizza?
Yes, sir.
That is a negative. That is.
Out of all the new teachers, this guy's probably the best one. All right. Well, this has been Mr. T. Fantastic guy here in his class. You're a lucky duck. To the next teacher we go.
I like how he doesn't put any of the Zoom numbers, man. That's...
Yeah, we're on a scavenger hunt. Wait, to the camera. We're on a scavenger hunt right now, bro. Dude, we're not finding any of these teachers, bro. Yo. Dude, read the sign. James, get that on the camera right now. Mrs. Kelly's class enter through the other door around the corner.
No, I can't read.
This boy can't read.
Hello, Payson. I'm Andrew, and I'm here with...
Mrs. Kelly.
So, why did you become a teacher?
I always knew I wanted to become a teacher. My mom was a teacher, my grandma was a teacher, my grandpa was a teacher. It was just always in the cards.
What's your favorite breakfast food?
Crepes.
Crepes.
Oh my gosh, these teachers have good answers.
These new teachers are gold.
They don't-
Okay, top 3 though.
Top 3 breakfast foods. Okay.
Yeah.
Crepes. Smoothies. Is that a breakfast food?
Yeah.
Okay. And bacon.
Bacon. That was the answer yesterday as well. So bacon is still up there. Trying to fish belong on pizza.
Oh, no.
No? No. Great job.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Remind me your name?
Andrew.
Andrew. What's your name?
Luke.
Luke. Wait, what's your last name?
Tons.
Okay, I didn't teach.
A-U-N-Z.
Okay, I don't think I taught your older siblings.
It's pretty dark, James.
It's pretty dark.
So we can't interview.
What light is on, James?
James, what do you see in that?
Dear Lord, James, you are 2 for 2 and missing. I want to talk about breakfast. No, James, I want a breakfast burrito. I want Don Chewy's. All the sophomores that go to this school go to Don Chewy's for lunch. They are the best breakfast burritos on this whole entire planet.
Yeah, go to Don Chewy.
Dude,
About
I
Don
love
Chewy's.
breakfast burritos. Why do you think I got so excited when Mr. T started talking?
Newton.
Hello, Payson High School. My name is Luke, and I'm here with.
Mrs. Newton.
All right, Miss Newton. Why did you become a teacher?
I became a teacher because, one, I love the subject I teach. I teach culinary. You guys should take my class. And I absolutely love working with you guys. I love working with high schoolers.
That's awesome. That's a good answer. What's your favorite breakfast food?
Ooh, favorite breakfast food has got to be, I love German pancakes. Those are my favorite.
Of course, the culinary teacher is going to talk about some German pancakes. Are there other kinds of pancakes?
Yeah, there's like Dutch pancakes. They call them Dutch babies. I like German pancakes personally. They're like yellow. They're good.
Isn't there like the like really thin waffles?
Oh,
Like
yeah. Streusels. Streusel, yeah. Those are good.
I'm so hungry.
Those
bro.
are good.
Okay, we gotta stop. Next question. Does fish belong on pizza?
No, absolutely not. I'm sorry.
These teachers are 3 for 3.
That's actually a crime.
Yep. Yes,
That's
ma'am.
actually a hate crime against you.
Well, thank you one more time for the camera.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Ms. Newton, thank you so much.
Yeah,
and
you're
we will
welcome.
see you around.
We'll
Welcome to
see
Payson
ya.
High
Thank
School.
you.
And
Thanks for watching.
Pride out.